Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Katashi and welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make mustard fried chicken. I did go ahead and season my chicken the night before, but I'll make sure to list all the ingredients and measurement in the description below. Okay, so let's jump right into the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.